If weekends are when you really tackle your household chores, here's a list of a few of the things you might not always think to keep clean often.
Everyone wants a clean home. Let's start in the bedroom.
When it comes to your sheets, you want to wash them about once a week or every 2 weeks at the very least.
It's also important to wash more than just your pillowcase.
Your pillowcases, you want to wash once a week or once every 2 weeks with your sheets. But you should actually be washing the pillow itself.
You touch doorknobs every day of your life, but have you ever actually cleaned them? Lifestyle expert Trae Bodge told Our Less Trent you definitely should.
I would recommend cleaning them once a week with a disinfecting wipe like this and the surrounding area. If there's an illness in the house, I would recommend cleaning the doorknobs more than once a week.
Ladies out there, did you know makeup brushes are a breeding ground for bacteria?
It's really important that you clean your makeup applicators, and you can do it very easily by using a diluted dish detergent or facial cleanser.
Look at the water. The water has turned brown.
Yeah. You want to wash them frequently, like once a week.
And one of the dirtiest places in the home is your pet's bowl.
They can collect staph, yeast, E. coli, parasites. They should be washed every day with a little bit of dish detergent and hot water. And then once a week, you can really sanitize it by putting it in the dishwasher.
Now you know what to clean when.